Thanks for joining us in the Forecast Center. I'm meteorologist Chris Michaels, and with fall break in the rearview mirror, we're taking a look ahead at what we can expect this week. Today, we're still going to have to pack the umbrellas. There's some spotty showers in the forecast, and by now, I know you're all singing the same old song and dance, "Rain, rain, go away," and I'll let you know when that actually happens in the 5-day forecast. We'll also take a trip down to the tropics for a tropical update. You know, we are in the fall months, but that doesn't mean we can't see any storms pop up, so we'll have to keep some tabs on what's going on in the Atlantic. As far as the rainfall, the past few days have added to the monthly total just a little bit above an inch, but the year-to-date is remarkable, approaching 4 feet of rain at the RDU airport this year, that making it the 12th wettest year on record. And when you think about it, we've had 70 years of observations at that airport, so that is definitely quite remarkable. And today we'll add a little bit to that rain total. This morning, as we're going off to class 57, the temperature with some patchy fog, so you might need a light raincoat. And you're also going to want to be careful when you're driving onto campus because of that fog. And around lunchtime, 64 the temperature with some spotty showers taking effect. And right as we're getting out of class, 68 and some more spotty temperatures. And the high for today doesn't really deviate too far from that 68-degree mark at 70 degrees. And you know, on any normal fall day, that would feel just fine. But with it being cloudy and rainy all the time, it's seeming a little bit repetitive. And here's why. We have a low pressure system sitting off the East Coast. That's bringing in some moisture into the Carolinas, and that's why we've seen a fair amount of rain over the past few days and will continue to do so today. There's also a cold front off to the immediate west. The good thing with that is it's starting to weaken over the next 24 hours. But the next potential big weather maker sits off into the western part of the country, dropping some snow and rain into states like Wyoming and Idaho. In fact, tomorrow, Margaret Scott will be here with more details on if that will be a big weather maker later in the week. Right now, we're going to take a trip down to the tropics. There is an area with a 10% chance of cyclone formation, and while that doesn't seem too significant, again, we are in the fall months, and we have seen some strong storms pop up in the month of October. You just go back to last year where Sandy made landfall in the tri-state area on October 29th. So we'll keep tabs down there. And from the Atlantic right to your doorstep, we've got the 5-day forecast for the rest of the week. Again, we're going to call today a 30% chance of rain and a high of 70. But then tomorrow, finally, we start to get some clearing in the skies, and all of us can start to breathe a little bit more normally and carry on with a happier face. Some clearer skies, 73 the high, 76 the high on Wednesday with partly sunny skies, a beautiful day. But we're going to call Thursday a 30% chance of rain with that potential weather maker that's off in the western part of the country and a high of 74. Friday, some partly sunny skies, a beautiful way to end the week with a high of 70, a great fall day. Again, this is meteorologist Chris Michaels. Thanks for watching, and make today a good one.